Learn and Grow channel. In this channel, I am going to review the books for competitive examinations. I think all of you have applied for the post of CHSL and various SSC examinations and other examinations. So, if you want to crack such type of SSC or competitive examinations, you need these books. Now, I am going to show you such type of books which you have need to crack competitive examinations. Look at that. First and foremost, I am showing you the English Acumen. Okay, this book is written by Gopal Verma. And now, if you complete the book, so look at that. This book is made for the SSC, CHL, CGL, CPO, banking, UPSC, NDA, CDS, AF, CAT. So all the competitive examinations are covered by this single book. So if you have this book, you no need to buy any other books. Okay, if you have Gopal Verma, that means you have enough for the competitive examinations. Okay, so look at that, how many chapters it has and what are the important chapters. In this book, look at that, the contents. First, descriptive grammar, time and tense, modal auxiliaries, conditional sentences, question tag, active and passive voices, direct and indirect speech narration. So descriptive grammar means in these portions you will learn that how or the basic rules or syntaxes have been written in the first section, or you can say that section A. You will learn the syntax of the basic grammar, and next if you will proceed to this book, you will get the noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, preposition, article, superfluous expression, subject verb agreement. Okay, so these type of functional grammars you will come to know the in section B. And section C, you will go to the vocabulary sections. Means you have to learn the word meaning, synonyms, antonyms, root words, one word substitution, idioms, phrases, correctly spelled words. So I think if you complete the whole contents, so no need to worry about the competitive examinations. If you cover up all the portions, you will get, I assure you that you will be confident enough before going to your examination hall. So you have to buy this book. Okay, what is the name of this book? The English Acumen, written by Gopal Verma. Really very good. Or I have read all the chapters. Okay, I understood that no, this is very much important for what? No, Gopal Verma has not given me money to review this book. But after reading and after observing this book, I understood that no, this is very much important for your examinations. If you don't have, go straight to your nearest bookshop and buy it quickly. And just start your preparation. And after 2 or 3 months, you will come to know what I have told you right now, and where are you at that time. Now you will understand by yourself. Okay, so this is the first book or the English section. Next, if you have the basic concept about mathematics, and if you want to know the advanced mathematics, so definitely you have to buy this book, Play with Advanced Mathematics, written by Abhinay Sharma. Really look at the chapters: algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, height and distance, mensuration. So and in this book, what is the speciality of this book? In this book you will get what? In this book you will get a very pros and con analysis of a single sum or single sum. Okay, so in arithmetic section, algebra section, look at that: algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, height and distance, mensuration. So these advanced mathematics is very much helpful for your CHSL, CGL, CDS. So this type of examinations based on this type of sums. Okay, so this is our next book. And third book is the only made for the SSC examinations. All the previous year examination also included in this book. So if you want to buy, definitely you can go and buy this. And the main thing is that this publication is from Arihant, and we can believe it without seeing that no, Arihant is a brand in what? in competition examination. So you can buy it. And no, I am not going to tell you that buy this book only for this brand. No, go through this book and you will understand by yourself what I am trying to tell you. Okay, so this book is very much important for your SSC CHSL examinations. Look at the contents. General intelligence, how many portions are there? All the portions are covered up of general intelligence in this book. Next, quantitative aptitude, English language, general awareness, letter writing, essay writing for what? I think all of you know that this is for tier 2 examinations. Next, and how the questions will come out. All the things have been covered up in this book. So I hope that these books are very much necessary or very much important for your next SSC and other competitive examinations. So go now and buy this book and just boost up your preparation. Okay, thank you. And obviously we are all here to support you. Anything if you want to know from our site, obviously comment us. We try to give you proper answer. Okay, thank you very much.